Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the antenna and removing batteries from the remote. This prevents accidental rotation. Next, disconnect the coax at the antenna and at the power inserter so you can test continuity. While it's offline, visually inspect the motorized base for broken gears or debris. A quick spin by hand should move freely. Once done, reconnect coax to the power inserter only and restore power to test motor engagement before proceeding to control checks. You now verify control signals and power delivery. Measure 12 VDC at the inserter output while the antenna is powered. If voltage is stable, test the remote by pointing it at a phone camera to see the IR blink. Make sure batteries are fresh. If the motor hums but doesn't turn, gently turn the rotor by hand to free stuck gears, then cycle power to let the controller relearn position. Make sure wires to the motor aren't frayed and connectors seat firmly. You finish by repairing or replacing the faulty mechanical parts. Install new gears or apply silicone lubricant to the drive assembly, then reattach wiring securely. Power cycle the system, repair the remote if needed, and run the antenna's calibration or full rotation command to confirm range and stop points. If movement still fails, swap the power inserter or motor module to isolate the defective component. Troubleshooting tip: if rotation is intermittent, test with a known good 12V supply to rule out power sag.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.